Lord Hannan of Kingsclere.
My lords, the maiming of our historic counties in the Heath years, the destruction of some of the oldest political units in the world, was one of many lamentable acts emanating from that ministry. It may be a bit much to restore completely the administrative status quo ante, but will my noble friend the Minister at least undertake to align ceremonial counties with the 92 historic counties that make up England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland?
My noble friend has called for that realignment, but we don't have any plans. I can't reassure him. But, you know, things in government do change, and he is making his case very strongly.